Crafting compelling narratives on YouTube involves understanding your audience, defining a clear message, and using visuals to enhance the story. Focus on authenticity and emotional resonance to engage viewers. Utilize pacing, music, and visuals strategically to maintain interest and drive engagement, ensuring your story aligns with your brand's values and goals. Video storytelling in YouTube marketing is crucial, with businesses seeing a 76% sales increase. YouTube's 2 billion daily users provide vast reach for authentic narratives. Story-driven content retains viewers 3 times longer than traditional ads, fostering emotional connections that enhance brand recall, message sharing, and customer loyalty. Video storytelling is a powerful tool that combines visual and audio elements to create emotional connections. It goes beyond mere promotion by weaving conflict, resolution, and authentic emotion into narratives. This approach engages audiences deeply, making stories relatable and memorable, ultimately transforming viewers into engaged community members. Video storytelling is the art of crafting narratives using visual and audio elements to forge emotional connections. It transcends mere promotion by integrating conflict, resolution, and authentic emotion, engaging audiences deeply. The aim is to tell relatable, memorable stories that resonate, transforming viewers into engaged community members. Conflict is the catalyst that hooks viewers, introducing challenges and building suspense. Resolution offers closure, solving problems, and showcasing transformation. Emotion fosters empathy, creating memorable, shareable moments. These elements ensure stories are engaging and impactful, driving viewer action and leaving a lasting impression. Every great video thrives on a narrative arc: introduction, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. This structure strategically places emotional beats, builds tension, and delivers satisfying payoffs. Mastering this arc ensures your audience remains engaged, experiencing a journey that resonates deeply and leaves a lasting impact. Crafting a compelling YouTube video story begins with strategic planning. Define your core message, whether it's brand awareness or community engagement. Identify your target audience's demographics and interests. Decide on the emotional response you aim to evoke, such as inspiration or trust. Finally, plan your distribution strategy across platforms like YouTube, social media, or email campaigns. Strategic planning is crucial for impactful videos. Define your core message: brand awareness, sales, education, or community engagement. Identify your target audience's demographics and interests. Decide on the emotional response you aim to evoke, like inspiration or trust. Plan your distribution strategy, considering platforms like YouTube or social media to shape content length and format. Meet Sarah, a small business owner overwhelmed by paperwork, missing her daughter's soccer games. Late nights turned into early mornings, clutter grew, and Sarah felt paralyzed by chaos. Then, she discovered our productivity app, organizing years of chaos within hours. Today, Sarah leaves work at 5 p.m., never missing a game. Ready to transform your life? Start your free trial today. Crafting a compelling video story on YouTube involves understanding your audience and defining a clear narrative arc. Start with a strong hook to capture attention, develop relatable characters, and build tension through conflict. Use visuals and audio strategically to enhance storytelling, ensuring each element supports the narrative and engages viewers effectively. Close-ups capture emotions, revealing authentic expressions. Use varied camera angles, wide for context, medium for interaction, close-ups for intimacy. Show, don't tell. Let visuals imply feelings. Warm tones offer comfort. Cool tones create tension. Choose music that enhances emotions, use sound effects subtly, and let silence emphasize key moments. Match voice pacing to emotional intensity. Data shows that storytelling videos on YouTube achieve peak engagement at 2 to 3 minutes. Simple, focused narratives with clear arcs outperform complex, lengthy productions in retention and sharing. Crafting concise stories maximizes viewer engagement and retention, ensuring your content resonates effectively with audiences. Real-world examples highlight the power of storytelling in video content. Successful creators focus on authentic, emotional narratives with clear structures. This approach enhances viewer engagement and retention, outperforming generic content. By prioritizing quality storytelling, creators can achieve sustainable growth and build a loyal audience, as demonstrated by small businesses transforming their YouTube presence through strategic, story-driven content. A small business transformed its YouTube presence by shifting from generic content to a story-driven approach. Initially, they averaged 500 views per video with minimal engagement. By focusing on authentic customer narratives and a clear 3-act structure, they achieved over 20,000 views per video and a 5-time subscriber growth in just 6 months. Begin with a clear, authentic story that aligns with your brand values. Keep videos concise, around 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring every second is engaging. Utilize YouTube tools like thumbnails and captions to enhance reach. Continuously test and refine your approach based on performance metrics and feedback. Plan your first storytelling video today using our template.